Hey guys, today I have a PR haul and also just like a normal haul for you. So I thought I'd just combine them because I've got a parcel from GLAMRAIDER and also a parcel from Jessup Beauty. So Jessup kindly reached out to me and asked if they could send me a parcel and I said yes, of course. And they sent it over in this super cute little box. It looks like this. So the first thing that we have in here is the beauty sponge, and this looks really nice. One, I love the colour because you guys know that I love green, but I really like how it's all rounded and then there's just the one flat tip. I feel like that's a really cool design, so I'm really excited to try that. I feel like you can never have enough beauty blenders. So they also sent over these eyelashes catcher. Is that what it's called? I think. So yeah, it's just like a 5-pack of eyelashes. So we've got 5 different styles in here, and I really want to do a lash try on with these, so let me know if you want to see that. The styles look really pretty, and I feel like they go like from like kind of the most like natural looking to like the most glam, so I'm really excited to try those. Let me know if you want to see a try on haul. I couldn't remember what it was called. And then the last thing that they sent over was the light grey 14-piece comprehensive collection, and I really like the packaging. Don't you think that's really cute? It's got like, it's called like embossed, like you can't really see it too well. You can kind of see how it's raised there, so yeah, it's really cute. So this is how the brushes look, and I just think they look really nice. I opened these before just to post them on my Instagram story, but I haven't felt them yet, so I'm very excited. So it comes with this little card, which is cute, and it just tells you like, oh cute, that's actually really nice. So on the back it tells you how to, tells you like about the brand, it tells you about customer care, share and cooperation, and what else do we have in here? It's also got general tips for makeup brushes, makeup brush care tips, so that's really sweet. So yeah, I feel like that's really nice. It's just got all this information on there, which is lovely. And then these are how the brushes look here. I feel like they look super sleek and really nice. They give me like Makeup by Mario vibes or something. Like, don't you think they just look really, I don't know, just really like fancy or something? I really like it. So this is, oh wow, okay. This is like the softest makeup brush I've ever felt. It literally feels like I'm patting my cat. But they're really soft and they look like really nice quality. Just super sleek, just says Jessup on there. And yeah, so we've got 14 of these. We have a nice variety of brushes. We've got some smaller ones, we've got some bigger blendy ones, a lot of eye brushes. So yeah, I'm really excited to try them out, and this means that I can hold off on cleaning my brushes for a little bit longer. But yeah, that is all of them there. So thank you so much to Jessup for sending that over. I'm really excited to try out the brushes and the lashes and the sponge. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a lash try on with these, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna do it anyway. But yeah, I'm very excited about that. Next we have something that I bought from GLAMRAIDER, which I am so excited about. I'm trying to save my money, and then Glamlight have to drop the new Rick and Morty collection, and you know I had to buy it, so I did. I still want to buy another one to do for a giveaway, but I just need to save a little bit of money first, so let's see. I already went through it the other night with Kay because he loves Rick and Morty, so I showed him what I got. The first thing we have here is the Rick Hologram Lip Kit. So it looks like this. Then when you open it up, it looks like that. So we have a lip liner and then a lip gloss. Is it a lip gloss? Yeah. So I'm so excited. I'm going to do a full collection review on this, so don't worry. I'll do swatches and everything then. We have the Accelerated Time Lip Kit, which looks like this. I just think the packaging of these are stunning. Like, oh, they're just so cool. I just love it so much. I'm so excited. We have the highlighter trio, so it looks like that. Just everything, the packaging, just all of it. And then that's what the highlighter palette looks like there. And then these are the shades here. We've got like a blue, kind of pink, and a pink here, and then like a kind of white. They're like duochrome, so I'm so excited. I don't know why I keep buying duochrome highlighters when I say that I don't really like them, which I still don't really love them that much, but it's GLAMRAIDER, gotta buy it. This I'm so excited for. I think this is the coolest thing ever. This is their first setting spray that they've ever made, which is really exciting. It's cool to see them expanding like with new products and stuff like that. And then it comes in this coolest bottle ever. This is what really sold me on the collection. Like I was gonna buy it anyway, but when I saw this I was like, no, I don't care, I need to get it. So it looks like that. Like it's in like a little beaker bottle, and I just think that is like the coolest thing in the world. It's called the Rick Dependence setting spray. And I'm gonna actually put some on right now because I think it smells really good. It does smell really good. I don't know what it smells like, but kind of smells like rich mum. You know what I mean? Like when a rich mum walks past you, that's what it kind of smells like, but in like a good way. And then the last thing in the collection is the palette, which I think they have done the best job with this palette. So beautiful. So this is the outer packaging. And then yeah, so that's the same on the actual palette. And then when we look inside, oh my god, it's just so pretty, guys. I don't get it. Like how have they made this so cool? Oh, I'm so obsessed. I literally cannot wait. So I'm really excited to try this out and do a review on it. So that will be coming soon. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to have a look at my Patreon for more exclusive makeup and beauty videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!